Samsung is gearing up for a groundbreaking launch with its highly anticipated triple-fold smartphone, a device that has the potential to reshape the public's perception of the brand after recent years of mixed reception. Fresh leaks and insider reports have started to surface, unveiling exciting details about its features along with the official name of what will be Samsung's first ever tri-fold device. Despite being the pioneer in the foldable smartphone market and maintaining its lead in global sales, Samsung has gained a reputation for being overly cautious in recent years. While it continues to dominate in numbers, its foldable devices often lag behind competitors in terms of cutting-edge specifications and bold innovations. Some rival brands have even taken the opportunity to mock Samsung for its conservative approach. The only factors keeping Samsung at the top of the foldable market are the lack of widespread global availability of competing foldable smartphones and the advanced software features that come bundled with Samsung's flagship devices. Samsung has previously showcased prototypes of foldable devices that were more innovative than its standard folding phones. However, despite these promising designs, the company was unable to release its first tri-fold smartphone ahead of Huawei Mate XT. Now, Samsung is finally preparing to launch its tri-fold device, but with a unique strategy that sets it apart from Huawei's approach. Instead of adopting the S-shaped folding mechanism seen in the Mate XT, Samsung's tri-fold will feature a G-shaped folding design. This design offers a key advantage. When folded, both sections of the screen cover and protect the main display, reducing the risk of accidental damage. Additionally, the device will include a secondary cover display, allowing users to operate it like a traditional smartphone without unfolding it. In contrast, the Huawei Mate XT relies on a single large display that folds twice in an S shape. While this approach maximizes screen real estate, it also exposes the display to potential damage, as it remains outward facing at all times. This increases the risk of cracks and scratches from accidental drops, making durability a significant concern for users. According to the latest leaks, Samsung's highly anticipated tri-fold smartphone will officially be called the G Fold. This name aligns perfectly with its unique folding mechanism and maintains a resemblance to the well-known Z Fold series. However, the real curiosity revolves around its dimensions. Just how slim and large will it be? Samsung is set to introduce a brand new display technology specifically developed for this device, something we haven't witnessed in any of its previous foldable models. As for the size, the G Fold is expected to stand at 6.54 inches in height, while its fully unfolded main display will stretch to an impressive 9.96 inches. This puts it almost on par with the Mate XT, making it 30% larger than the upcoming Z Fold 6. Such an expansion in screen real estate could significantly enhance the user experience, offering more productivity and entertainment possibilities. One of the standout features of the Mate XT is its exceptionally slim profile, which sets it apart from Samsung's Z Fold lineup. According to a reliable leaker, Samsung's G Fold will follow a similar approach, ensuring a sleek design, but it might still be slightly thicker than the H/HA reference that likely points to Huawei's Mate XT. This suggests that while Samsung is aiming for a refined and slim form factor, it may still not match Huawei's ultra-thin design completely. Now, one of the biggest questions surrounding the G Fold is its pricing and launch date. The Samsung Z Fold 6 has a starting price of approximately $1,900 for the base model with 256 GB of storage, while Huawei's Mate X3 is currently available for around $2,800. Given this pricing trend, industry insiders speculate that the G Fold could be priced within the range of $2,500 to $3,000. If the cost turns out to be on the higher end, it might struggle to attract a large number of buyers, potentially leading to a commercial failure. To mitigate this risk, Samsung might opt for a cautious approach by limiting the initial release of the G Fold, much like they did with the special edition of the Z Fold last year. Initially, early leaks suggested that the G Fold wouldn't hit the market until sometime in 2026. However, recent updates from industry analyst Ross Young indicate that Samsung has moved up its timeline. According to his latest report, the G Fold is now expected to launch in the third quarter of 2025, most likely alongside the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 7. Samsung's G Fold could be the game changer the foldable market has been waiting for, but will its price and design be enough to justify the hype? Let us know your thoughts in the comments and stay tuned for more updates. Bye!